Hey everyone, today we are going to be exploring multi-chain signature and verification tool. So every time you approve a transaction, sign into a dApp or send crypto, your wallet is creating a digital signature behind the scene. So this tool exactly show you how signature works behind the scene and how you can verify your that signature over any kind of chain over Ethereum, Solana or Bitcoin. So first you need to select any chain here. You can just check the tutorial here first, like how this works, what this is all about, and yeah. So first you need to select the chain here, any chain, Ethereum, Solana or Bitcoin. Let's go with the Ethereum. Then it uses the key which is ECDSA, and then you can check here its description, like what is key pair is all about, how private key and public key works. Like private key is a secret one, and public key is like shareable. You can share it with anyone. So yeah, and then you can click on random or connect wallet with random. It will generate the key pair on its own, um, for the demo purpose only. So this is how it's generating private key. It will check its curve and all, and that's how private keys are generated in Ethereum as well behind the scene. Now this is private key, which is only for educational purpose, public key and address. So yeah, this is how you can generate the key pair. And if you want to generate the key pair from wallet, then you can connect your wallet here, and this will connect your wallet, and this is how wallet is connected. And this tool won't show your private key here, and it will just show your address of MetaMask. So that's how you can check, and you can disconnect from here. And now sign message. So choose any messages from this, or you can just type your any kind of message you want to sign, and sign with it. You need to confirm in MetaMask because we have connected with MetaMask here. Or if you don't want to do it with wallet, then you can just check with random one for education purpose. And this is how it will show the signature, how Ethereum signature work with all this R plus S plus V tools, its messaging hash, how signing pipeline works. So I've shown here what happens behind the scene when you sign a message on Ethereum. So let's say this is the message of transferring zero point 0.1 Sequoia from one address to another. It will encode it. It will then generate its hash with KJ 256, and then it will use the ECD as a signature curve. Then signature is done, and this is how it will use private key for the signature process. And that's how whole pipeline work behind the scene, and that's how transactions or signing process gets done simply easily. So also you can check the signature anatomy here, like what is the meaning of those curves and how Ethereum need RS and V. All of this is explained in this tool. Also, if you want to verify these signatures, you can just paste this message's signature here, or you can click on autofill from signing. So this is how it will fill out all the signing data from the previous messages, your signature, message, everything. Then just hit the verify signature, and it will show how message, signature, public key and everything is verified with the ECDSA, as we have clicked on Ethereum, as we are exploring how signing works on Ethereum. So this is how it works behind the scene. So you can switch chains and sign the same message. The signature looks completely different algorithm, different format, and same core idea. So this is how every wallet, every transaction, and every dApp logging and works under the hood. So find this tool and more tools at blockchainhq.